Sparky Sparks here. We're unboxing and trying on a new wig by Raquel Welch. This is called Star Quality in the color Mocha Foil. So I've pulled her out of the box. I want to start on the inside. She's got an open wefted cap, stretchy. This has a designated part area. So that's going to be on the left side. I've taken my combination wig cap, wig grip and lined up the part side to be on the left, so that when I put this on, it kind of lines up. We'll give her a nice shake. She does have a zigzag part, I can see that. I'm told that sometimes people are now actually trying to put zigzag parts in their hair. I don't know how you do it, but with these wigs, it's totally normal and you just break the part. So we'll do that together. Let's see what she looks like. Oh, she's pretty, really pretty. And looks like some wispy bangs here. Let's see. As we're doing this, I'm gonna just use my clip to go through this part line. So we don't even need to really comb it. Oh, it's beautiful. This again is kind of like my own hair color. Really pretty. So these bangs, you could, you know, make her your own. And oh, wait a second. Maybe I like her even better like this. So really pretty, Star Quality. So this, maybe we don't have to have a part. We can just have loose bangs. Now I'm coming on to something. Again, when you put these wigs on, see what it wants to do, see what you want to do with it. You don't have to just leave it one way. I'm going to tousle her around a little bit. I like this. Ooh, I like this a lot. So I could kind of part her over here or not. Let's see what I do here. Wear her down. I like a little bit of bang, or I can just part her and pull her off to one side. That's not bad either, but I do like the bangs forward. I'd love to know what you think. Let me show you the back. So it's very straight, not wavy. Let me show you the back. So she's pretty, really pretty. Have a great day.